Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can underline text in a document in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my WPS Office application on my computer. And first of all, I'm going to open up my file in this WPS Office. For example, I'm just going to open this file and I'm going to underline text in this document. Right, guys, if we want to underline text, we can select the text we want to underline like this, and we can simply go to the underline menu and click on this underline. And as you can see, that the underline has been applied to my text, and you can customize the type of the underline you want to apply. Here you can select double underline or the bold underline, and it's up to you. And if you want to change the underline color, you can go to the underline color and you can select the color that you like. Okay, you can also get more options by clicking on this more underlines option. Okay, and here you can customize the underline and also the font as well. You can also customize the character spacing. Okay, and once you're done customizing the underline, you can click on OK. Okay guys, and that's all the way to underline text in a document in WPS Office. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.